Welcome to another video. Today we are doing this Honda plane. I'm just gonna show you before and after shots, just show you the process. I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna show you the before and after. Hope you enjoy the video. On planes, under the wings and the belly and the tires, they get very greasy. So what we use is a stronger degreaser to pre-clean the plane prior to the basic wash, so you can see the before and after on these shots. This is one of the two engines that this Honda has. As you can see, there's some exhaust marks / grease coming out of this little section right here under the engine. We use the same degreaser, the same process. Make sure that it's as clean as we can get it prior to the filming of the plane. Now we're ready for a soap. We just soap everything, including the bottom, and we re-scrub everything, including the bottom as well. So before you guys freak out about me stepping on the wing of the plane, it's completely safe. There's some sections on the wings that you can actually stand. The only thing with that is it can be dangerous because you got soap, you got water, it's very slippery, but besides that, ain't gonna hurt the plane at all.